So hello guys, myself is Harshit Kumawat, and as you all know, I am pursuing PGDM diploma in retail management from Delhi based business school. And if you don't know about PGDM diploma is equivalent to MBA program. So there is not a major difference between MBA program and PGDM diploma. So in today's video, I will tell you how you can give answer of tell me about yourself, and what are the reason that interviewer first question asked in each and every candidate, that tell me about yourself, and what are the qualities, and can be the answer for this question. So let's start the video without further delay. So to be very honest guys, this answer is differ from particular position, particular company. I can't tell you for every position, for every company standard answer, but I can tell you for a marketing profile, for one profile, and I can give you hint that how you can formulate your answer on that moment. So first of all, you need to look at the position and the company, that which type of a company is are, and what are the qualities are looking from the candidate a particular company. And if you read the job description, guys, please, I am like telling you most of the time that read the GD, which is a job description, because most of the students do not read the job description, that what are the qualities and what are the work which will be there in the corporate world. So most of the students do not read the job description, and they will apply for every company, and they look only the position and the company. They do not see and look at all at the job description. And if you look at the job description and you read clearly job description, you can formulate your answer from that job description also, because in the job description, that what are the qualities, like in the job description basically what are the work day-to-day activities, what will be, so they are mentioned. So you can take those words from job description also, and you can put those words into your answer. And if you put those answer, you will have a more chances definitely that you will select in your personal interview. Because if company is demanding some kind of skills or particular skills from candidate, and if you are telling from to the company or interviewer that you have a particular this skills, so definitely there will be more chances of selecting you in the personal interview or group discussion. So you need to read the job description, and you need to read all the qualities and the company is demanding, and the requirement of employees, everything, the mail you received, you need to look all the, like you need to read the clear cut the whole mail. And the second thing is that you need to formulate your answer from company to company and position to position, because it will differ from every position, from every company. And if you formulate according to the position, according to the company, it will be more helpful for you. Like if you go for the position of sales profile, you need something different kind of skills. And if you go for another profile which is a digital marketing, so that will require a different kind of skills. And if you go for a marketing profile, it will require a different kind of skills. So if you are going for a marketing profile, you need to formulate your answer according to these that marketing profile, that what are the qualities company is demanding from a candidate, and you can formulate your answer according to that requirement that company is defined, or like company is demanding the requirement or the possess that candidate should possess those skills, and you can formulate your answer according to those skills, and it will more helpful for your clearing the process of personal interview. So I will tell you my simple answer, that what will be my answer if I will be in the process, I will be on the seat of yourself, that what I say on that moment when interviewer asks me that tell me about yourself. So first of all, I am telling you for a marketing profile only, not a particular profile. And in the marketing industry or marketing profile, there are a lot of position, and my answer just around the marketing only. So let's start the answer. So hello sir, myself is Harshit Kumawat and I am pursuing PGDM diploma in retail management from James College. And if I talk about my strength, then I am self driven with high energetic and find it easy to work with different people, and which help me building relations and working in team. And if I would say on my short term goal, then my short term goal is to leverage the management education and take up to add value and learn the business function. And as far as my long term concern, I would like to grow up in corporate world in at a leadership position, and if it require leadership courses, I would like to take leadership courses as well as. So thank you sir, that's it about myself. So you can give the answer just like this, and you, this is only about a particular not a particular marketing profile. You need to formulate your answer according to the requirement of position and what are the qualities is demanding companies demanding from the candidate. And apart from the all of thing, if you have a self confidence, if your communication is good, and if you are like you need to good at the in the front of a interviewer, that if you are speaking good and if you have a self confidence and if you are proving your like आप अपनी बात को सही रख रहे हो, तो that will be more helpful, because if you are proving yourself right, then definitely there will be more chances of select you by the interviewer. So I hope you this video and this video will get you some help in the clearing the process of any process of PI or GD. So if you are sitting in any group discussion or personal interview, I will say good luck and have some kind of a some self confidence. It definitely you will be select, and if you, no matter if you have a skill or you don't have a skills. So thank you. If you are new at this channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button, and to get update for more videos related to MBA.